Okay, now we have ChatGPT 4.1. If you go to ChatGPT, you will notice that you haven't 4.1. Okay, you have 4.0 and you haven't 4.1, but it's new and we can use it by using n8n. Okay, if you go to n8n and you create a workflow, you can add 4.1 and has a API to use it. Okay, so here we'll use Lovable to clone our ChatGPT and create an interface like the real ChatGPT here and send requests to get a response. Okay, how to do that? First, if you go to Lovable, create your account very fastly with Google. Okay, you can skip this step, and the first thing you want to add a prompt and it will create your interface for you. Okay, I have already the prompt in my, you can find the prompt here. This is the prompt, and here if you copy this prompt you have to change something. Okay, here I have my webbook link. Okay, if I go to n8n and here if I do one click I can add a webbook, and here I can change to put in pause and change this path. I can say GPT 4.1, and now I can copy this link, okay, and add it to my prompt. Okay, if you go there you can add it here. Okay, let me copy this prompt first and go to Lovable, paste it here. Okay, I want to add the GPT interface to see the look I want, so I can screenshot this, copy it. Okay, go to Lovable and paste the image. Is done, and I send. I wait, it will create the interface here. During the coding on Lovable, you can go to n8n and continue the workflow. The first thing, we'll get a request from n8n from Lovable here, and we must add an AI agent here. Add this AI agent, add a LLM here, use OpenAI chat model, and here this is where you will find this GPT, the new GPT 4.1. If you go down you'll find it somewhere here. Okay, this is it. You can use it and it's done. Okay, you create a new credential here, you go to OpenAI. Let me show you. You go to OpenAI platform.com. Let me go there. You connect your profile, you add money, and you can create a new API to use it in your n8n, and it's done. It's very simple. Once you connect your profile, you can go to profile. Here you add money. You add some money between $5 and $10 if you want. After that you can go to create a new API, give a name, choose default, and click on create API. You can copy the code. After that you go to n8n and you paste it here, and it's done. Okay, after that you want to add a webbook, because here we use a webbook to get requests, and click here to this option and go there to add a new webbook again, and use response to webbook. And after that, once you get a request, after working in your LLM, you'll get a response here. Here you can add a SERP AI. If you want your LLM, go to find information from Google search. Okay, I'll show you how you can create credential for search. It is very simple. Okay, we have finished with the workflow, and this workflow is a LLM ChatGPT which can use the new 4.1. Okay, once we have finished with the workflow, let's return to Lovable to check if the program is finished. So here you can see the first, and let me check if it works. Let me go to my workflow and put it in test mode. Okay, put it in test mode and go to Lovable and say hi. and check if we get a response from, okay, it's work. Hello, how I can help you. So if I go there, it's work. Okay, I can put it, I want to see it. What day? As a Monday. And go there, put it in test mode, test workflow, and save it. Okay, we get response. Okay, it's working. So we want to put it in big area. Okay, let's go for the test. Here we have the ChatGPT 4.1. We have clone with Lovable and use n8n workflow to work with it. In this LLM you have 4.1, the new 4.1. Okay, so when we send request here, it go to our webbook in n8n and we get a response here. This is the LLM here. Okay, the second is ChatGPT, normal ChatGPT in ChatGPT.com 4.0. So you want to put this in live, okay, live, and we'll work with it. Send a request here, send the same request, and look at which one is the better here. So this is the first text. We have explained the difference between narrow AI and general AI in 3 bullet point with emoji. We'll add the same text here and we'll see which one is very fast by give response. So I do one click here to send it, and the same one click here. Here we have an error, so we can go there to check which is the problem. Let me put it in test mode. We'll use it in test mode, and we want to resend the request and go there, resend the same request, do one click here, another click here, and wait. Okay, here we have quickly get the response from GPT 4.1. So you can see it's very fast by giving response. Okay, let's go for the second test. Okay, here we'll add a summary text. Say summarize the following paragraph in exactly 4 bullet points, each under 15 words. Okay, use emoji and so on. And here we will add the same text. Okay, the same text we had here, we add the same here, and we go to n8n, put in test mode, because this use n8n to response. Okay, so we'll start with send the request here, and also do one click to send. Okay, we wait, and here we see we have already finished with ChatGPT 4.1. It's very quick to give response. Okay, it is very fast. Okay, so here we have the response, but this one is very fast, and if you use GPT-1, you can go fast when we work. This is that we notice in this test. Okay, so we want to check the instruction we say under 50 words. Okay, let me check in ChatGPT the comparison. If I get a screenshot here. Okay, in the table in ChatGPT we have Lovable and n8n, that is here, and we have ChatGPT 4.0. So here you can see in the new ChatGPT we have many good response, but in ChatGPT 4.0 you have some missing. Okay, so the new ChatGPT is very good. Okay, so let's go for the last test. Okay, we'll go for the last test here. Okay, we'll paste the same test here. Okay, each one must write 600 words blog post about the impact of artificial intelligence. Okay, so before you must go to n8n to put it in test mode. Okay, and now we can send the request. We'll start with our ChatGPT. If I do one click here, another click here, and wait. Okay, it's becomes here. It's start to create. Okay, it doesn't start yet here. Okay, here it continue to write, but here you have finished. Okay, it continue to write in GPT-4.0, but here in GPT-4.1 it have already finished with the text. Here it continue to write. It continue to write. Okay, so here it writes many text, and here it writes a clean text. It is very readable because we have some paragraph, we have space and paragraph again, space. It's very clean. Here it is a little difficult to read. Okay, we have some difficult to read because it is a compact text. Here it is very clean. So this is the new ChatGPT. It is very nice and helpful for who want to go fast, but you can use it. You can't use it in the normal ChatGPT website. You must use an API if you want to use it, and this is how you can clone it by using n8n. It is very easy. So thank for watch this test, and I want just to show you how you can clone any GPT-1 with n8n, and also show you the new GPT, the new 4.1 powerful ChatGPT we can use to work and go very fast with our project. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you to the next tutorial.